Welcome back to SpecERC. So in this video I just want to introduce you to the new RaceBox Micro device that is for race and track data analysis. Now the really cool feature of this new device is that it weighs only about 15 grams. So basically you can fit it in anything from drone to RC planes or cars, and it takes as input voltage from 3.5 to 16 volts. So this is typically something that you would just plug into the receiver of your RC and just go for some RC racing experience, and then be able to analyze your data at the end of the race day or so. Now, as you can see here, I already fitted the RaceBox Micro device into my RC car, which is an 1/8 scale arrma infraction 3S, and this thing is basically ready to go. Now, just going briefly through the technical specifications of the RaceBox Micro. So this is a 25 Hz GNSS module for the GPS, and it also contains a gyroscope and an accelerometer that is able to capture between plus and minus 8 Gs. It also contains a built-in storage. So the way it works is that you would typically hit record, then go for your racing, and then bring back the car, and through Bluetooth you would be able to recover the data onto your smartphones. These would then be uploaded into the cloud, and you would then be able to download the data in standard formats directly into your home computer. Now, on the RaceBox website, this is how things look like. So after having logged in to your account, over here on the top right you can access your sessions, and so these here are basically all the racing sessions, if you like, that I've been doing over the day. And by clicking on one of them, just to give you an example, you can access here the GPS tracking data for this session, along with some summary metrics, including the cornering G, acceleration and max speed, etc. And here at the bottom you can have these very nice and detailed tracks over time of the speed in red, acceleration and braking in green, and cornering G in blue. Now, one really cool thing apart from this type of layout over on the website is that you can here on the top right basically download the data in standard formats for your use with third-party applications, such as, for example, I am using RaceRender to perform the telemetry overlay that you can see in some of the footage.